Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm going to be going through our winter TN kit. This is it's using the Jesenia art from my shop, and it is in collaboration with Jesenia from the Planner Sophisticate. There is a couple little items in here that we collabed on, and I will point those out as I go, but I'll go ahead and leave her links down below to both her Instagram, her YouTube channel, and then also her shop, which her shop does sell digital items, which are fantastic. She has different patterns, different quotes, and then also her main thing is inserts, so printable inserts, which are totally awesome. She does rings and then not B6, but TNs as well. It's my 6th video for today, so we're getting a little rambly. This is kind of a special circumstance TN. I did supply these TNs to the Winter Plannerland attendees, so we will have a very limited stock of these. It's the most limited we've ever had for a TN kit. I do expect them probably to sell out fairly quickly. I will be shipping them out quickly as well because it is the beginning of December, but I will be shipping them out within the first week of you guys ordering them, probably within days actually. I am at the conference right now. I'm pre-filming this so that I can release it as soon as the attendees get it. It was supposed to be a surprise for that, so I didn't want to spoil it, but let's go ahead and get into the contents. This is kind of our older format for our TNs. I did have to order this, all these items many moons in advance so that I could ship them off to Atlanta. So let's go ahead and go through this. Let's go through the specialty papers first. I'm so excited to do a setup with this. I'm probably going to do it right after I film this video, which I am filming this video in the end of November, just because I want to get it up and ready for you. So let's go through this. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, I haven't even fully looked at everything yet. Well, I mean, I have looked at everything yet, but I haven't looked at it in 2 months. But this is a plaid vellum, and I just think this is so beautiful. I really wanted to channel Jesenia's vibes, all of the colors she would use and the stroke thickness. I just feel like it's very girly and feminine. So you have these really pretty florals with the pine cones, and all the strokes are a light gray. And I love the snowflakes here. So this is another vellum. And then you have 2 acetates in silver, so you do have these really gorgeous snowflakes in a silver foil. And then you also have this bow, which is one of Jesenia's bows. Jesenia has a lot of different bows. You could actually find this bow if you wanted to print out some acetate or vellum for yourself in her shop. So this is just one of her bow designs, so we do have that in an acetate. And then there are the papers, which are so gorgeous. So the first one here, you do get 2 of each because they are double-sided. This one has her bow in blue, and then you do have this side is the blue swatches with these snowflakes. Then you do have that pink plaid, and then on the other side you have the pink with the white bows. And then this one has the pink swatches with silver faux glitter. And then you have a blue to pink ombre with the snowflakes as well. Super pretty, very wintry. I'm just absolutely in love with these papers. And then also in that little pack there is the bookmark, which I love this. It's so versatile. And you have the pink, white, and then the blue color in there. Let's go ahead and open up the organza bag. Let me go ahead and kind of spread these out so you guys can kind of see them a little bit while we're going through the rest of the items so you can see how they coordinate. Okay, so let's go through the organza bag. The organza bag is a really pretty silver color to kind of match the vibes of this collection. Let's go ahead and open it up. So you do have a pen in here. So this is a pen with gems in the barrel. It is a white with silver, matchy for sure. You do have a sticky bow, so this does adhere, has a little sticky back, and it is in silver. You have one of our custom bow clips in silver, which I did actually throw in because this washi is a little bit misfit. It's nothing crazy, but it was a little design flaw, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that real quick. But I wasn't planning on putting the bow paper clip in, but it worked out this way. So let's go ahead and open this one up. But the more products, the merrier, right? So there is this here. Where is the end? Here it is. So this is a silver bow washi. It's not really misfit. It's just kind of a little bit of a design. So the what's it called? The repeat is kind of cut at a weird angle, but the rest of it's perfectly fine. So really pretty. I love this washi. You have the plaid in the background with the flowers and the pine cones. Just a very lovely washi there. So pretty. Just gorgeous and very, very matchy-matchy to the kit itself. Let's go ahead and put that out like that. Then you do have this really beautiful snowflake charm with these little, you know, diamonds on there. Not real ones, but, you know, fake ones. Then you have this gorgeous bow, which might be one of my favorite parts of this collection. So you have the backer card, which you can also use for your crafting purposes. And you do have this really pretty silver bow. It's probably one of my favorite bows that we've had in any of the TN kits. It is kind of like a sturdy material, but it's super, super cute. Very fine glitter. Then you have this little pack here of the die cuts. I got a schmutz on here. There we go. So this is the die cut pack. There's a little bit of glitter on here. Okay, so we have the die cut pack. And you have a bow, you have a tree, you have the snowman, you have the floral like bouquet, you have a TN, you have a scarf, you have the little Simply Gilded collab washi stack, the blue bow, a white sweater, a little like pen, we'll put it right next to the other pen, a hat, and then also this really pretty deer, which is probably one of also my favorite pieces in the collection as far as like the art goes. Then we also have this little pack here. There's a lot of stuff in here. This little pack here. And in here you have, which I remember to bring home this time, which is awesome. I have a feeling this is going to be my second favorite setup. I think Magic is always going to be my first favorite setup, but I feel like this might be my second favorite setup. I just have a good feeling about it. So you do have your tabs, so you have double-sided tabs that match the papers. Then you have the tab stickers, which are in silver and clear, so you can put those on there. You also have a really, really gorgeous sticky note, so you have like the kind of like fuzzied out white background. You have the bows in the background, the pink on the white, and then you have a white bow in the center. Square sticky notes. And then you have a bunch of journaling cards. So these are collabs with Jesenia for her handwriting, and then her bows in the background. So you do have the blue with the Let It Snow on it. And then this one says Merry and Bright. So I do these double-sided. So you could totally use one of each. If you prefer both of them, let's say you do, you know, a TN and then a rings, and you like this one the best, you can use them both. Or let's say you were like, I just like this one, I'm going to use this one. You can gift this one to a friend. So instead of getting them, you know, blank-sided, I just print them double-sided. So Let It Snow and then Merry and Bright. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous journaling cards. So you have those. Then you have this one, which has the girls. So again, we have the two girls there. Put those down here. And then you do have two foiled ones. So you have this one, which says Let It Snow with a really pretty like cable knit in the background. And then this one has a bow on it, one of our signature bows. So you do get two foiled journaling cards as well. So you do get quite a lot in this TN kit. It's kind of like my old format. I kind of like minimalized them a little bit since, but I'm really excited because I feel like if there was going to be one more that was kind of a Mac Daddy TN kit, it would be this one, because this one is fantastic, fabulous, beautiful. I love it so much. I hope that you guys like this TN kit. I will be doing a setup for you guys, and hopefully that'll be within the next couple of days. But I hope you guys like this video, and I will leave details on the release of this down below. Thank you for Jesenia for this beautiful collab. I am so excited to see you present using this kit at Winter Plannerland and see what you do with it. And she also does have collab inserts that match this, so you could do a winter TN kit setup with her inserts as well, and it would all match. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye! Advent time, day 7. We're getting closer to our 12-day Advents too, which is super exciting. So this journaling card has the Oh So Fresh, which has the really pretty watercolor on the other side. And then this is from Marg of Once More With Love, and she put in a adorable little die cut pack, which is just so cute with her little doodles. So you have the backer card, and then you have little flip-flops, a little flowers, you have a hat, a sunshine. This is adorable. I kind of want to put this somewhere that I could see it all the time because it's so cute and sunshiny. And then a bike, so that is a little die cut pack from Marg. And then day 7 in the Giving Girl. Wait, did I just open day 7 twice? Oh wait, what? I think I got 2 day 7s. Okay, so I accidentally got 2 day 7s. That's okay. Obviously, it's okay. So it's actually day 8. I've been going by the Giving Girl numbers. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh, it's a sticky note. Cool. So this is a sticky note. I like that it's very neutral. Okay. I was like deja vu. So the backer here is foiled. It says The Giving Girl on it. And then it's just a really pretty like purple background with a gold line with the bows, which are super cute. So you get, those are square. So those are adorable. I love these. These are so cute.